Hello, welcome. Question 19. A square has a diagonal of length 10 centimeters. We have to find the perimeter of the square. Remember, if we have a square, all sides equal, the diagonal is here. So let's say this is x, which will be x. The diagonal of 10 centimeters. This becomes a right angle triangle. So I can use Pythagoras theorem as the 10 square equals to x squared plus what? X squared. Then that will give you 100 equals to 2x squared. Let's divide both sides by 2. Your x squared will become 50. But what do we need? We need an x, because perimeter will deal with the addition of all the sides. So x will now be equals to the root of 50, which is going to be 25 times 2, so 5 root what? 2, as the length of the square. By finding perimeter, which is what? 4 times the length. And the length is what? 5 root what? 2. That will be 20 root 2 centimeter. Let's check the options and see which of the option best fit. I think the option C become the preferred one. All right, thanks for watching. Come back for the next one.